Hi, my name is Scott Parker, and I'm a graphic designer with over 30 years of experience. Today, I'd like to welcome you to my new YouTube channel, Graphic Designer's Toolbox. My goal is to teach you highly sought after skills in clear and simple steps with popular graphic software that most designers are currently using. In this first video, I want to show you the beginning stage for setting up your Adobe Indesign document for PDF accessibility. This step will add metadata to your file, otherwise known as document information. I've already got Adobe InDesign open and ready, so let's go to File, File Info, and under the Basics tab, we're going to key in our document title. Make sure we put our author, and we're going to skip down to description. And lastly, we're going to put our keywords. Additionally, you have the copyright status. If you do know that, you can click on copyright and go ahead and put that notice below it. And then you'll hit the OK button. Next, I want to show you two other metadata elements you'll need to set up later when you export your PDF. Let's go to File, Adobe PDF Presets, and click on Smallest File Size. Decide where you want to save this and click the Save button. In the left-hand menu, click on Advanced, and notice under Accessibility Options, the display title is currently set to File Name, and we need to change that to Document Title. English language is what we have set. That's what we actually want. So we need to make sure that stays there. And we're not going to hit export right now. We're going to just wait and do this later because we have a lot of things to do to prepare our document for 508 compliance. That about wraps up the metadata step and in turn this video. Thank you for joining me. In my next video, I'll show you how to ensure that your document's color contrast is accessible. My hope is that you'll keep coming back to see what other helpful hints you can find in my graphic designer's toolbox. Thank you.